Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Mint by Kamlesh. Today I shall solve for class 11 Maths exercise 3.1 question number 5 from NCERT book. Chapter is trigonometric functions. I hope you will please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks. Question is, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of the chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of the minor arc of the chord. Suppose this is a circle, and its diameter O is its center. So chord passing through the center is called diameter. So this is 40 centimeter. This is 40 centimeter and chord is 20 centimeter. So suppose this is AB. AB is a chord. We have to find the length of the minor arc. A chord makes two arcs. One is major arc this side and this is minor arc. So for this minor arc AB, we have to find its length. We have to find its length. That is called L. That is called L. And we know this is the basic formula that theta in radian is equal to L by R, and so L is equal to R into theta. This formula we shall use later on. So this is center, and second thing is that its diameter is 40 centimeter, so its radius will be 20 centimeter. Add this 2 points of the chord with the center. So this is 20 centimeter. This is also 20 centimeter. And the angle subtended by the radii and the chord, that is theta. First we shall find this. Then we shall, on this formula, R is given, L I will find. Okay. So we shall write, let AB is a chord of a circle with center O, in which chord AB equal to 20 centimeter. This is given. Again, diameter is equal to 40 centimeter. This is also given. So radius of circle will be diameter by 2 is equal to 40 by 2, that is 20 centimeter. Right? When we adding or joining O, A and OB, we find that triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle because all three sides are equal to 20 centimeter. So it is all three sides. This both radii are also 20 centimeter. This chord is also 20 centimeter given in the question. So this OAB forms an equilateral triangle, right? Hence OA is equal to OB is equal to AB is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay. Now this angle, that is theta, angle theta is equal to 60 degree. Why? Because each angle of an equilateral triangle is of 60 degree, right? So this 60 degree must be changed into radian measure, because this formula applies only for the theta which is in radian measure. So this theta we shall change. So theta is equal to 60 degree, that will be changed to radian. It will be 60 into pi by 180, since 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. Okay, this is formula for degree. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. So 60 is multiplied and it became radian, right? So it is 0, 0 cancelled, 6 will be cancelled 3 times by 13, it will be 1. So it will be 60 degree will be pi 1 into pi by 3 radian. Now this length of minor arc L is equal to radius into theta. So radius is equal to 20 and this is theta is equal to pi by 3. So pi by 3 centimeter is equal to 20 pi by 3 centimeter, right? Hence length of minor arc AB equal to 20 pi by 3 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay, if you like it, please subscribe and share, and if you have any doubt, kindly write in comment box. I will give its answer. Thanks.